Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I got another unboxing video for you. And instead of a box this time, it's a bag and it's Birchbox. Gorgeous teal colour with a rose gold star. I love this, absolutely beautiful. So if you're new to Birchbox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received inside this month's bag, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Birchbox is a monthly beauty subscription box. This is Birchbox UK and it costs £12.95 a month and that includes shipping. Inside you get 5 beauty items and they tend to be a mix of hair care, nail care, sometimes perfumes, makeup and skincare. We normally get a box, but because it's Christmas time, they've decided to give us a bag this month, so I'm quite pleased with that because that bag is absolutely gorgeous. Birchbox is one of the cheapest subscription boxes out there and I think the products reflect that price. Some months are better than others, but generally inside you'll receive items of a sample size or maybe a mini size. Rarely you'll see a full size item in there, but Birchbox's aim is to provide 5 beauty items from their website which you're able to purchase, but sometimes in a smaller version so that then you can go out and try it. If you like it, you go onto their website and purchase the bigger size. If you subscribe to Birchbox for 6 months or more, you then become a VIP member, which means that you'll get, I think it's 15% off any online purchases. So that's something to be aware of if you've never subscribed to Birchbox before. So the items that you'll get are not always going to be full size. We do tend to get a lot of teeny tiny sample sizes. But as I said, some months are better than others. So all details related to Birchbox I'll pop down below in my description. So when turning this video, see show more, click that. That'll bring a description and everything will be listed down there, as well as refer a friend codes, and also if they've got any deals on at the moment, like if you sign up then you'll receive a free beauty item. I think it might be a nail polish. I think so. I'll find out anyway and I'll pop it down there. But yeah, as well as a roll-in monthly subscription which you can cancel anytime, they do offer, I believe it's 3, 6 and 12 month subscription as well. So yeah, so everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to seeing what we got inside. In all the boxes and bag we get a leaflet and it tells you everything about the products inside the box, and it also gives you the price of the full size item. So in December Birchbox we have actually got 7 items and one of them is a Candy Kittens little bag of sweets. But yeah, so I'll be referring to this as we go along. But oh, I forgot to say, on the back we've got a January sneak peek. So if you're interested in taking out a subscription for yourself and you wanted a sneak peek for January, you can choose between 3 different Beauty Crop glow milks. These soft highlighters were selected for your January box by someone very special. Stay tuned to find out who. You got 3 to choose from there. So when you subscribe to Birchbox and in the following month's box, we have options like this to choose what colour we would prefer in our box. Then they send you an email and you get to choose. If you ignore that email, they just send you a random one, but you have that option. So which is really good. It makes it a little bit more personal. So the first item I've got is Rituals. This is the Ritual of Ayurveda, the Nurturing Shower Gel, Italian Rose and Sweet Almond Oil. We've got 75 mils here. I absolutely love Rituals. I love it. So I'm really happy to have this, really happy. Discover the ancient art of living wisely and enhance peace and harmony in everyday life. So this is a mini size and it says here, enriched with Indian rose to soothe and sweet almond oil to moisturize, it transforms into a silky soft foam when it comes into contact with water, leaving your skin beautifully soft and delicately fragranced. So there's the first item there. Next we've got a product by Brave New Care, and this is a minty twinkle twinkle hair and body shimmer, and it says with mint, panthenol and hydrating sugar, and it's vegan. It's shimmer for skin and hair, and it says here, apply the product to clean hair and skin, spread out and wait for it to be absorbed, do not rinse. I've never heard of that before. Just plaster it. Oh my word, I was expecting it to have like a seal. This is really, really watery. I'm not sure if I'd be able to show you or not properly without it tipping anywhere. Whoop! That is super, super watery. But look at the colour. I thought it would have like a bit of a seal on there, so I was expecting, yeah. Let's try it a little bit on my hand. Imagine with my copper hair, copper makeup, copper body shimmer. Put it in my hand there. you're not going to be able to see that actually. That is really subtle. Very, very, very subtle. The actual copper shade just disappears completely. You're just left with very, very fine sort of shimmery glitter particles. So that doesn't scare me quite as bad as what it initially did. My gosh, I thought, oh, it's like body paint all over. But no, that's quite nice. So I think that'd be quite nice. I'm not sure about hair. I don't know how that would feel because it's quite tacky on my hand. I don't think I'll put it in my hair. But yeah, on my body, maybe on my shoulders or my legs or something like that. You won't find Brave New Care anywhere else in the UK. This brand is exclusive to Birchbox. So this is a little mini size, but the full size version is worth £11.50. Formulated with castor oil to moisturise and soothe, this glistening oil blends out beautifully to add a subtle shimmer to your arms, legs, décolletage and even your hair. It's a big night out essential. So that's the second item in the box. Next we've got the little pack of candy kittens. This is the added freebie. These are absolutely gorgeous. Wild strawberry. I absolutely love these. In the shape of a kitten head or a cat head. I love them. So there's your added freebie there. Next we've got a sample from Percy and Reed Hair, and this is Totally TLC Hydrating Mask, and we've got 25 mils there. So it's a little sachet sample there. Need a rescue roundy fast? This indulgent treatment helps to nourish and deeply condition stressed tresses whilst enhancing manageability, softness and shine. So obviously this is sampled by the full size. It will cost you £22. Use it in place of your conditioner, leave for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse and style as usual. So there's that. Next we've got a product by Daily Concepts, and this is a multifunctional soap sponge mother of pearl. Soap sponge. Huh? Soap sponge. Soap on the outside, sponge on the inner. Oh my gosh. I've never tried anything like that before. That is so strange. It just looks like a chocolate bar or something. Like a white brownie. That is so strange. Wow. It smells absolutely gorgeous. That is so nice. Right, this is a full-size product and it'll cost you £6. It says here, suitable for both face and body, this 2-in-1 soap sponge combines a radiance boosting cleanser with a gentle exfoliator so you can skip a step in your routine. Wet the sponge, lather up, then rinse off. The mother of pearl will gently purify and boost skin's texture. Oh, I'm impressed with that. Really impressed. So that's that item there. So the next two items are in the booklet as separate, but I thought I'd show you together. So we've got the eyeshadow palette, which we had a choice of what colours we wanted last month. And this is the one I chose, which was Naturally Yours. I'll open it up and show you properly now. Also, we've got a eyeshadow brush by Birchbox. It's got Birchbox written on it. So it's a really nice brush. Really nice brush. So there's that. So let's open this eyeshadow up and see what it's like. So the brand is Forgive Me, I think it says Susie. Forgive Me Susie eyeshadow palette in Naturally Yours. That looks really odd. That looks really odd. It looks like one of them has been touched. Oh my gosh. I don't know. This is the first time I've opened it up to take a look. And this is how I opened it up. That's how it arrived. This is how I opened it up. And normally, you'd normally get like a clear film thing over the top of it, don't you? You either peel it off or it comes off, but there was nothing with that. But this pink here, it looks like it's actually been touched. The others don't, but the pink does. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it definitely looks like it's being touched. If you've got a Birchbox this month, please let me know if you sort of picked that up on your eyeshadows as well, because if that's true, that is not good at all. This is exactly how it came in the bag, so no packaging as such. It's just, yeah, just open up like that. So you never know, it could have opened up, something might have touched it. Oh, that is a bit weird, isn't it? But those colours, especially that copper there, that is gorgeous. That is really pretty. So let's see what it says in the leaflet. So these two are full size. The brush will cost you £4. The palette will cost you £9. Whoa, I think that's a bit overcharged. 100% cruelty free and vegan. The velvety soft matte metallic and shimmer shadows leave you spoilt for choice and are perfect for party season and beyond. And then the brush, it says the soft densely packed bristles make it ideal for use with both cream and powder formulas, aka a must have in any makeup kit. Please let me know your thoughts. Let me know what yours look like, and yeah, I'd be curious to know. go. So there's those. So those are all the items inside this box or bag. I'll just gather them all up and I'll come back to you. So here's all the items in December's Birchbox. There's a load of items here. We normally get 5, we have got 7. So we've got the eyeshadow palette, we've got the eyeshadow brush, we've got body and hair shimmer, we've got a ritual shower gel, we've got some Candy Kitten sweets, we've got a Percy and Reed hair mask, and we've got this really cool sort of soap sponge, which I can't wait to try, give that a go. So all in all, I think it's a fab box this month. I do think it's really good. As you just heard, the only thing that concerned me is the fact that this eyeshadow palette is a little bit dodgy. So yeah, I'm going to be looking at other people's reviews now on YouTube to see if they've like noticed the same as well. You've got a mix of samples here and obviously full-size items. I love the rituals. Rituals makes the box or bag more luxurious. And yeah, I love the sponge as well. Hair mask, candy, sweets, they're going to be gone within 5 minutes of me finishing this video. And yeah, brush is nice. Not too sure how often I would use that, in all honesty. It's pretty, it's nice, it's not as whoa out there as I thought. It's quite subtle, but yeah, we'll see. All in all, I am happy I received it this month and especially love the bag. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's Birchbox? Have you received it yet, or are you watching because you're unsure whether you want to subscribe or not? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.